Good Friday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We can see temperatures across the state. A lot of us in the 30s, seeing those hatched 40s across central back into a little bit of northwest Iowa. Looking at the wind for today, generally out of the northeast, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not talking a lot of wind today. And then looking at high temperatures, a lot of us getting up there into the upper 40s, lower to middle 50s, even upper 50s as you get into the northeastern part of the state. And as we get into later on tonight here, we'll be getting down there, generally down there in the upper 30s, lower 40s statewide. So it's not going to cool down too much tonight. But as we get closer to early next week, we'll be watching for cooler trends. And I'll talk about that here in just a few minutes. Looking at the forecast radar this morning, we have snow across western Nebraska, northeast Colorado, western northwest Kansas. And as we go through the day here, cannot rule out that as we get towards about 2, 3, 4 p.m. here, we're starting to work in a few showers, mainly across our southwestern counties. All right, so let me go ahead and zoom that in here for you. So as we go through about 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., just continue to see scattered shower activity across the southwestern part of the state here as we go through about 10 p.m., 11 p.m. I think this will branch out into central Iowa. Very, very scattered, isolated showers as you go overnight into Saturday morning here. And I even think it's possible we'll have to watch things tomorrow morning, but it's possible I think there can be some drizzle possibly even falling here across northwest Iowa as you get into Saturday morning. And then as you get towards about noon on Saturday, I think a lot of this is dissipating. Maybe we're still seeing a few isolated scattered showers as you get Saturday noon into early afternoon, mainly again across central and the southern part of the state. And then as you get through Saturday night here, things will start to dissipate. And then going farther out here, we're going to have a strong cold front coming through early next week. And based off what I've seen, it's going to have a lot of cold air with it. So I think we are going to be dealing with what could start off with maybe a few rain showers. But for the most part here, we're looking at a wave of snow showers to start working through the northern part of the state on Monday. And then Monday night to Tuesday, working into southern Iowa, eventually into eastern Iowa here throughout the day on Tuesday. And then by Tuesday night, Wednesday, it'll clear out of here. But it's a very strong cold front, so not only are we going to be bringing the shot for some snow showers, but we're also going to be bringing some colder temperatures, which is going to lead to that frost freeze potential here early next week. So here's Monday night lows from one model here, kind of showing upper 20s, lower 30s. You can see those upper 20s especially confined back across the northwest part of the state. And then I'll take you through low temperatures here Tuesday night. You can see a lot of us down there in the middle to upper 20s. That could be that frost freeze potential that we're going to be watching probably Monday night and Tuesday night of early next week. Just a little bit of a heads up there. And then looking at a colder solution here, I think this is overdone, but if you take the calculations and put them together, this is probably the most likely outcome as of right now for Tuesday night lows early next week. Again, it is a little ways out there, but Monday night and Tuesday night, I would definitely keep an eye on for frost freeze potential here early next week as that cold front works through. Otherwise, looking at total precipitation over the next 7-day period, you can see that main risk of some rain showers, mainly across central, southern Iowa. Again, can't 100% rule out maybe some drizzle across northwest Iowa tomorrow morning, but other than that, for the most part, I think mainly central, southern Iowa is where you're seeing those rain risk here. All right, I'll leave you with temperatures over the next couple of days here. As we get into Saturday, see a lot of us in the 50s statewide, 50s, lower 60s on Sunday. As we get into Monday, though, like I said, that strong cold front working through, you're going to see the difference from 50s, 60s across southern Iowa to 30s, lower 40s across northwest Iowa. As we get into Tuesday, a lot of us in the 40s statewide, and then we'll start rebounding as we get into about Wednesday, upper 40s, lower to middle 50s, and then I think 50s and 60s start setting back in as we get into late next week. So that's kind of how things look as of right now. Again, tracking that strong cold front coming in Monday, Tuesday of next week. Looking at those nighttime lows Monday night and Tuesday night for potential frost freeze conditions. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll chat with you soon.